Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Stay home and stay safe. Today is Tuesday, 27th April 2021. It's your maths period and today our topic is review. It's page number 87 of countdown. So students, open your countdown books. Students, open your countdown books. Open page number 87 of countdown. First of all, write down here classwork and short date, that is 27th April 2021. Topic is review. Its multiplication and division. Work out the sums given below. Look at A part. It's 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. 5 5s are 25. B part we have 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 56 divided by 7 is equal to dash. 56 divided by 7. Read the table of 7. 7 8s are 56. And 56 minus 56, it's 0. So the answer is 8. Answer is 8. 12 divided by 4 is equal to dash. Read the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So answer is 3. 4 3s are 12. 36 divided by 4. Read the table of 4. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81. 9 9s are 81. 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to dash. 7 6 are 42. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. 36 divided by 9 is equal to dash. 36 divided by 9. Read the table of 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. And 36 minus 36, it's 0. So the answer is 4. Answer is 4. 21 divided by 7 is equal to dash. Read the table of 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 42 divided by 7 is equal to dash. 7 6 are 42. When we divide 42 with 7, answer is 6. 7 6 are 42. Next part is 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to dash. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Next we have 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to dash. 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. It's multiplication sum. Now we have 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 10 multiplied by 9 is equal to dash. 10 9s are 90 and 9 10s are also 90. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Next we have 50 divided by 50 is equal to dash. So let's look at this. When we divide 50 with 50, 51s are 50 and 50 minus 50, it's 0. So the answer is 1. 50 divided by 50 is equal to 1. 50 divided by 50 is equal to 1. 9 multiplied by 7 is equal to 63. 9 7s are 63 and 7 9s are 63. 14 multiplied by 0 is equal to dash. Students, as you know, when we multiply any number with 0, answer is 0. When we multiply any number with 0, answer is 0. 14 zeros are 0. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Next we have 9 3s are 9 multiplied by 3 is equal to 27. 9 3s are 27. 35 divided by 7 is equal to dash. Read the table of 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. So 7 5s are 35. And 35 minus 35, it's 0. So the answer is 5. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. 63 divided by 9 is equal to dash. 63 divided by 9. Read the table of 9. 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. 3, and 63 minus 63, it's 0, so the answer is 7. Answer is 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. So students, page number 87 is your classwork. You will solve page 87 on countdown books. This is your classwork, and your homework is you will solve these 6 parts A to F on your notebooks. Maintain your pages with today's date, write topic review, and solve these 6 parts A, B, C, D, E, F on your notebooks as a homework. And also revise tables on daily basis. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.